Hey everybody, we are back for the new system test. I promised this one would have a new device to it. Let me just show you the inside. I redid the wiring. Again, I know this is not good and still not what I do professional wise, but looks better than it does. We have a lot of wires going into this panel now. And so yeah. But I had to free up a zone, so this pull station is now on the same zone as the second floor smoke detectors, and you'll find out why as we go downstairs. I also changed around all the notification appliances. Everything is now system sensor, and I kind of like it. Well, I do like it because everything is synchronized, completely synchronized. So I guess I'll go over the alarms first. Same BG12. We have a system sensor P2R, P2RC, and then if we go by the oil-fired boiler and natural gas water heater, excuse me, you'll see we have a carbon monoxide detector. This is a system sensor brand CO detector, hardwired, 24 volt. So without further ado, here we go. P2RL. This guy never changes. There we go. So yeah, I had to redo the wiring and everything, and I forgot that I put a 5-second delay on the CO detector for when it activates the run strobes. And that's so if I'm in that area, I'll hear it beeping before it goes off, so I know it's CO. If I had an adjustable system for more capabilities of this panel, I would have a separate NAC set up using a relay as a supervisory for CO, but because I don't have that capability right now, you know, gets you out of the house, and that's what's important. So yeah, that's my current system setup. It's a mess, I know. I hope you like it, and have a great day.